How to set an automatic reply in WhatsApp Business. The first thing you want to do is download and install the WhatsApp Business application on your device. Once that is done, open that. Now log into your account. If you want to set an automatic reply, you want to tap on the tools icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you do not find it here, you can tap on these three dots, then tap on settings. Now from here, select the business tools option. Once you're here, you want to scroll down a bit and find the option of Away Message, which lets you reply automatically when you're away. Now, toggle this option on. Now tap on this pencil icon to compose your automatic reply. Once that is done, tap on OK. Now, you can tap on the schedule option. Here, you can either select Always Send or you can also custom schedule. If you have business hours set, you can select outside of business hour as well. Now for recipients, you can set that to everyone. Once all of this is done, tap on the save option. And now the automatic reply has been successfully set, and that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.